Welcome to a journey through time and design. Today, we delve into the world of the unique project of restoration at Design District Miami, done by Joaquin Fernandez Architect under Fernandez Architecture Firm. The existing house is dated on 1930, being in a preserved and protected area on the city of Miami, close to the Design District. The house is restored and added a new space with the same style. Welcome to Miami Design District, a place where history meets modernity. Imagine a house nestled in a preserved area, dating back to the year 1930, a testament to an era gone by, but not forgotten. This is not just any house, it's a symbol of heritage and culture. This house, with its rich historic charm, stands close to the Design District, a neighborhood synonymous with innovation, creativity, and inspiration. The juxtaposition of old and new is a sight to behold. It's this unique blend that makes the district a true gem in the city of Miami. The building has been standing the test of time, narrating stories of the past, but with age came the need for restoration. The objective was to breathe new life into it while preserving its inherent character. This was not just a restoration, but a revival of a grand old dame. The restoration project was a labor of love, a journey of rediscovering the architectural charm of the 1930s. Every brick, every wall, every window was treated with respect and care, ensuring that the essence of the original structure remained untouched. The result is a beautifully restored house that echoes the past while embracing the future. But the vision was not just to restore. The vision was to add, to expand, and to enhance. An extension was planned, a new space that mirrored the architectural style of the yesteryears. This was not an easy task. It required a deft hand, a keen eye for detail, and a deep understanding of the design aesthetics of the era. And so, the new space was born. It beautifully blended with the old, creating a seamless transition that is both visually pleasing and historically accurate. The new addition is a testament to the design prowess of those involved, underscoring their ability to respect the past while innovating for the future. The interior of the house is a perfect reflection of the exterior, a harmonious blend of the old and the new. The decor is a nod to the 1930s with a modern twist. It's a space where the past is celebrated and the future is welcomed. The restoration project in the Miami Design District is more than just a revamp of a historic property. It's a tribute to the city's rich heritage, a nod to its vibrant present, and a beacon of its promising future. It's a project that showcases the power of design, the beauty of preservation, and the magic of innovation. In the heart of Miami, in the vibrant Design District, stands a house that was, a house that is, and a house that will continue to be a symbol of history, design, and innovation. A house that is more than just a building. It's a piece of Miami's heart, restored to its former glory and ready to write new stories. This is not just any restoration project. This is a journey back in time, a tribute to the architectural brilliance of the 1930s, a celebration of design and innovation. This is the essence of the Miami Design District, a place where the past, present, and future coexist in perfect harmony. Welcome to the future of Miami's heritage. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to keep creating content that interests you. Thank you for being part of our community.